Now today, I'm going to be showing you how to change your upstream O2 sensor on your Chevy Cruze. Now, this Chevy Cruze is a 1.4 liter turbo, so it's going to be a little bit different than the non-turbo engines. But this will go along with several other years of the Cruze. Now really, the only really thing you need is an O2 sensor socket. Now with the upstream ones on this one, you can actually get to it with a regular wrench, so if you don't have that, that's fine, you can get to it with a wrench. Now with the O2 sensor, usually you'll throw a code, but sometimes you don't. If you don't, sometimes some of the symptoms are, of course, poor fuel economy, hesitation, stalling, idling rough, just running excessively rich sometimes. You'll notice that. But let's get to it. It's actually right up here up front. It's going to be extremely easy to get to, extremely easy to do. So let's get to work. Alright, now here's our O2 sensor. You can see right exactly where it is. Now what we're going to do first is follow this blue wire right here to right here. Pretty sure this is supposed to be attached to something, but we're going to unplug this sensor here. Alright, now for this one, just going to grab, pull that little tab out right there. There we go. There it is. Now it is unplugged. Now as far as the O2 sensors go, sometimes you can just bust them loose, which is a regular socket wrench. Other times you have to have a breakover bar. And if you don't have a breakover bar, which a lot of people don't, if you don't work on vehicles every day, you can take a cheater bar, which is something that you can just basically slide over and get some leverage, especially on something like this where there's not a lot of room to turn down there. And just try to break loose just from one twist. There it is. Here is the upstream O2 sensor we'll be using. Now with the new one, comes with our supplied compound here that we will put around the threads. And then, let's go ahead and get it started. And hand tighten the O2 sensor. Go ahead and slide socket on. And then tighten it down. And be sure to take care of the wiring. Alright, there we go. Now, I'll reroute the wiring. This one is a little tricky. Start to get it in there. Press that in. It's locked in. Right. There it is. Alright, there it is. Upstream O2 sensor is replaced. Honestly, the hardest part about it is the weird wiring harness clip there. Once you got that figured out, it's pretty easy. Some of the O2 sensors will break loose easier than others, I've experienced over the years. And in some cases, you gotta do something a little bit, break it loose. No big deal. But there it is. That's how you change the O2 sensor upstream on your Chevy Cruze. I hope this information proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.